Hey everybody, Jim King with King Piers. I'm here at this home, a beautiful home in Liberty, and talking with the realtor about sometimes sidewalks sink and mud jacking. I was asked if I do mud jacking, and I said no, I don't do mud jacking. It's kind of a temporary fix, but I do things that last, try to make it last forever, or 20 years. So if this sidewalk here was sinking like this and say cracked and it dropped right here, a simple way to do this for a DIYer, anybody that homeowner, get a shovel, dig a little square here, and go 13 inches below the bottom of the concrete sidewalk, and then horizontally bore about a foot in, and do that on the other side. And then once you get that all cleaned out, take you a little 1/2 inch thick steel shim and sit on the dirt with a 5-ton bottle jack on each side, put the handles in, and start raising the sidewalk until it is back to its correct elevation. Lock the bottle jack, pull the handles out of the hole, and then get you about 2 bags of concrete for each hole. You'll need a vibrator to vibrate the concrete so it encases around the hydraulic jack. And after you do that, let the concrete dry, put the dirt back, and the sidewalk back to where it was. Everything's good. That's a way to save a lot of money. A bottle jack's about 25 bucks, something like that. So that's one way you can save some money and get it done. For all your foundation repair needs, if you don't want to do it yourself and want my advice, I'll come out and talk to you. It doesn't charge you a penny. Or if you want me to give you a bid on painting your house, straightening a wall, concrete wall, crack repair, we do it all, waterproofing, French drains. Give us a call, 816-521-8915. You can always go to my website, kingpiers.com. Thank you.